trap money penny. This shit got me in my feelings. Gotta be real with it. Yeah. Kiki, do you love?
Poppin' beauty lovers, we're back at it again with another video from yours truly. So in this video, I kind of got mixed feelings about this. Like, it's a product in which I like, but yet there's been some mixed reviews on. So if you're wondering what today's video is on, well, if you don't know from the title, it's about, wait, do y'all see this glow that it's giving me? Crazy. Beauty Blenders Foundation. Okay, so I got 4.40, which they call it blend 4.40. Can y'all see that? There you go. I couldn't find my beauty blender either. I've been using Real Technique brushes a lot lately, so that's what we're gonna use for this. So whatever, you guys, if you say that it's been swayed because I didn't use the proper brush, whatever, okay? We're gonna use what we got. So it says this lightweight buildable whipped liquid can be layered from medium to maximum coverage to address both tone and texture, never dull or greasy. Skin gets that pro artist velveteen finish. That look pictures perfect IRL and on screen. Full coverage velvety finish, moisture boosting hyaluronic acid, antioxidant rich white birch extract. Okay, so I'm gonna tell y'all one thing off the bat that I know about this that might cause me a little bit of problems. So I've been using products with the hyaluronic acid in there, and it's been causing me to have a breakout. I don't know if y'all can like tell, but we zoom in, I might see a couple of blemishes. See, because I tried something with hyaluronic acid in it, and it broke me out. And I'm just trying to like get over it, so bear with me. Y'all gonna see me blemishes and all, but that's okay, okay? So it comes in this pretty pink and white packaging. It says Beauty Blender Bounce Liquid Whip Long Wear Foundation. So yeah, this is the packaging, you guys. So I told you 4.40 is my shade. If you guys want to screenshot the ingredients, here you go. Okay, so let's talk about price. This foundation sells for $40. It's a little bit higher than the foundation that I purchased, but it's only off by like $6 or so, so it's not really a big deal. It's cheaper than a lot of the more high-end brands. Like, I'm pretty sure Chanel, YSL, all of your favorite brands are probably more expensive than this guy. And you also get 1 fluid ounce in this, which is the same as my other foundation, which I did double check that, so that's pretty cool. I don't remember if there's a primer for this one. If it is, oh well, I didn't buy it, just to let y'all know. I didn't buy the Beauty Blender either because I was not about to upchug another 20 bucks just to get it and have another sponge that works just as great. So yeah, let's cleanse half my face and apply it and see what y'all think. Okay, let's get it. So, clean your face, makeup face. First thing, let's talk. This Cover FX blends with my skin so good, like so good, you guys. All right, so I'm just going to start with a primer that I use all the time. It is my prime time. I use about that much. Okay, let's open up this foundation, okay? So just fair warning, you guys, if it looks like it's been used, it's because it kind of has been, because I swatched it on me to make sure I wasn't gonna have an allergic reaction. Usually the rest of my skin reacts differently, so we just gonna try it and see. So it comes with this little manual, and it has little pictures on how to do it. Hold it at 45 degrees, bounce your sponge onto it. The rest is all in other languages if you need it, but there's no pictures for the other language, only for English. So for all of you guys that speak the other language, I apologize, but that's that. Okay, so here's the design of it. It's pretty sleek. The top, the little button, side profile. Here's a back shot. This is the on and off button, which I do like that they put there because I can lock it and unlock it. All right, so it just says hold at 45 degrees, which I did this before, and the only reason why I didn't like it is because it got a little messy. Like, if y'all can look, like, right up in there, the foundation tends to like travel there. So this is 45. I'm gonna hold it right here. I don't think that's gonna work either. All right, let me just, you guys pray. All right, let's see what it does. Okay, y'all see I got track back there? That is gross. So I don't know if one pump gives me medium coverage or 2 pumps, but yeah, one, when you first get this, you will have to keep pressing that button until it comes out, because honey, let me tell you, I pressed this bad boy at least 10 times before any product came out. Okay, so I like the packaging that they have here. It's very cute. Okay, so they say just pounce the brush onto the blender onto it, and I guess you're good to go. So I'm gonna take my large sponge and like just, also I cleaned this with alcohol, you guys, because something about this just did not feel sanitary to you, girl. All right, so we got a product. Okay, pray this works, you guys. I mean, it's coming out. Let's try another pump. Okay, let's just go for it. This I'm just gonna scoop directly. There we go. Okay. I guess this would be considered medium coverage with 2. I'm gonna go on with another third one. The girl likes full coverage, okay? I mean, does this look good on camera to y'all? Because in person, it's not giving me coverage. So let's go again. I feel like the sponge is just pretty much eating it all up. And I'm just applying it very sheer, which makes me concerned that I'm going to blow through this bottle in like no time. Okay, guys, I think I pretty much achieved full coverage. It is slightly lighter than the rest of me. But I mean, I'm not mad at it. Like, you guys look. Let me get you guys a little bit closer, just a little bit. Ignore the breakouts, but My Cover FX Beauty Blender. Same primer underneath both. I mean, I feel like it looks pretty good, you guys. It's super smooth, super soft. Again, don't judge this. This has like highlighter and like all kinds of stuff on it, and it's been all day, so don't judge that. But I mean, I'm gonna take a picture without these lights so you guys can see what it looks like, and you tell me what you think, okay?
Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always.
Okay, guys, so I'm gonna give this a fighting chance, and we're gonna apply it from here down. So, primer. Alright, guys. Could I actually go in public with this on? I think so. I think it's actually really cute. Like, I also took one of the lights off my camera too, just so I could see if it looks any different. I mean, it's a little gold, but I feel like it just looks like it's more gold on camera than it does like. I just set one of my little things back. But like, honestly, you guys, I feel like I'm gonna have to give Beauty Blender Foundation the No Shade Award. Yes. So the foundation's actually looking pretty good. I'm actually pleasantly surprised about how well it's holding up. I don't know if it's gonna hold up for the rest of the day. That will be tomorrow's task to try. It doesn't say it doesn't have parabens or anything like that, so if you're one of those who are very much concerned and conscious about what you're putting on your face, you may want to think about this. It says full coverage. I mean, have a lot that I'm trying to cover up. So for me, it does the job. Compared to other full coverage foundations, I want to say this one's a little bit more medium weight, not quite full. Maybe if you let it sit in between layers and kind of dry it and really pack it on. But I feel like you're going to be using so much of the product that, like, what's the purpose? So yeah, velveteen finish, I can definitely say it does have that. It's very smooth, not too matte, not shiny either. It's like that happy little medium, you know what I'm saying? It says moisture boosting hyaluronic acid, anti-rich white birch extract. So last one, no clue. But the hyaluronic acid is not causing me any breakouts yet. Let your girl look at her face a little bit closer and see if we see something. But I feel like, yeah, I mean, oh, I did not blend that. No, I'm not getting any breakouts, which is really good. So on camera it shows up a little bit more yellow, but in person it's a lot more of a neutral tone, like just from looking at it. So I mean, how do y'all feel it looks like on camera? Like, I feel like it looks good. I'm pretty happy with it. Even if I pull my lights up to be a little bit brighter, like I still feel like it looks good. So all in all, shade or no shade, Beauty Blender gets no shade. Okay, like, girl, go grab you one. It works. I personally did not use a Beauty Blender to do it, but I'm pretty sure maybe with the Beauty Blender you'll get a little bit better of an application. I used about 8 pumps to do my face, so I don't know how much 8 pumps equivalent to. I also wish I could just like pop this out and just fill in the cartridge. So Beauty Blender, think about that. Think about just selling like the cartridges, and then like low-key, if y'all sold this thing for like, I don't know, like 60 bucks, like your first one was 60 bucks, and then like every time you had to refill it was like 25, 30 bucks. I could do that. Like, I would actually do it because the shape of this, like the design, is super cute. So why not? So I love this product. I am going to set it with a little bit of setting powder and see if anything changes for you, girl. Don't think it will. But I'm going to use a little bit of my Tarte Filtered Light setting powder, which is my new favorite setting powder, by the way. I'm just going to swirl into it with a big brush. All right. What do we think now? It's fully set. Actually, I feel like setting it made it a little less yellow. Do y'all think so? Like, I feel like it did. I don't know, or my setting powder is just so good that it changes the color. Y'all tell me. But I hope y'all like this video. Make sure y'all subscribe to my video, like my video, leave any comments down below, and I'll see y'all next time. Show the love, show the support. You know, let me know if y'all got any questions. Until next time, I'll see y'all. Peace.
Me is really still the real me. I swear you gotta feel me before they try and kill me. They gotta make some choices. They running out of options, cause I've been going off and they don't know when to stop. And when you get to the top and I see that you've been learning, and when I